Hi everyone, my name's Lynn and I'm with Lash, and today I am doing a full set of classic lashes, and I am using our ellipse lashes, which is our flat lashes today. So every time a client comes to me, I clean her lashes out with a contact solution and then a primer before I start lashing. Now you really want to make sure you're taking out all the dirt, oil, or if they have leftover makeup, you also want to make sure that that's completely removed so that you have a better retention once you place the extensions on. So when you're placing the extension, you do want to make sure that you're isolating the lashes and that you're only placing the extension on one natural lash. And when you place it, you want to make sure that the extension is about 1 millimeter away from the base, and that way it's not touching her skin and doesn't irritate her when she leaves here. When choosing a length for the extension, you want to make sure you're only going 2 to 3 millimeters longer than her natural lashes. That way it doesn't weigh down her natural lashes and aren't too heavy, and then they won't fall out too soon. And you want to always keep the health of the natural lashes in mind every time you are doing a set. Alright, so now before I put the sealant on, I like to go through the lashes to make sure that none of the extensions have stuck together, or if the extensions are glued to more than one natural lash, then this is the time where I go and try and separate them. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or want me to videotape anything in particular, please leave a comment and I'd be happy to do that for you guys. All right, take care.